Hi, in this video, we're going to take a few moments to explore the Interactive Standards Web Display and showcase its functionality and all of its features. The Interactive Web Display is the best place to go to find information about each standard, including clarifying details that help to unpack the full breadth and depth of each standard. This is the Interactive Standards Web Display. Along the right-hand side, you'll notice what we refer to as cards for each individual standard. If you click on a particular card, the card will expand to show a variety of additional clarifying information about the standard, such as boundaries and practice and disposition alignment, implementation examples, interdisciplinary connections, and a progressions feature that helps to showcase what comes before and after a given standard in a particular progression. There are several additional features of the interactive web display that allow you to narrow the set of information that's displayed in the cards. One way to do this is through filters, which are found on the left-hand side. You can filter the set of cards in the display in a variety of ways, including by level, by foundational concept, high school specialty area, practice and disposition, implementation examples, interdisciplinary connections, and content most related to artificial intelligence. So for example, if you're most interested in pre-K and kindergarten, grade 1 and grade 2 standards, and you're also most interested in standards in the data and analysis concept, those filters would reduce the set of cards found on the right side of the screen. As I previously, there's a variety of information within each card. One feature is the embedded glossary feature. You'll notice terms that are underlined throughout the card. If you click one of those terms, a modal window will pop up that shows the definition of that term, a source for that definition, and a link to the full glossary tool. If you want to limit the amount of information found within each card, you can do that through the settings panel in the top right. If you open the settings panel, there are a variety of toggles that allow you to customize the information in each card. For example, if you're most interested in boundaries, practices, and dispositions, and implementation examples, you might toggle off the interdisciplinary connections, progressions, and resources. Once you do that, you'll notice that the information within each card is reduced to just the standard itself, along with the boundaries, practices, and dispositions, and implementation examples. Some additional features of the interactive web display are the sorting feature. By default, the cards are sorted by concept, but you're also able to sort the cards by level if you'd like. There's also a pinning feature that allows you to pin a subset of standards to easily refer back to them later. So if I wanted to pin a couple of standards here, and then change my filters to a different subset of standards, then later on, I can easily access all of the standards that I pinned by clicking the View Pinned button, which will reduce the set of cards to just those standards that I've previously pinned. If I want to get rid of my pins, I can click the Clear Pins button and return back to the full filtered set. A final feature that I like to showcase is the download feature. You can download the information in the interactive display as a CSV file or as a PDF, and the download will reflect the information that you have filtered and toggled on and off in the filters panel and the settings panel. So you can really dig into the specific information you're most interested in or that's most useful to you at a given time and easily download just that subset of information if you'd like.